Students, last video we have introduced about the beta distribution of first kind. That is, a random variable x is said to follow beta distribution of first kind with parameters m greater than 0 and n greater than 0 if its PDF is given by f of x equal to 1 by beta of m comma n x power m minus 1 1 minus x to the power of n minus 1 0 lesser than x lesser than 1 0 otherwise. Otherwise, we can write x follows beta 1, that is beta distribution of first kind with parameters m and n. Okay, so this is known as the beta distribution of first kind, and we'll see the remark first. Okay, as usual, we'll be seeing the remark. Okay, what is the first remark? If m equal to 1 and n equal to 1, okay, then beta distribution reduces to, so beta distribution reduces to, what you have taken, m is 1 and n is 1, therefore f of x will be equal to 1 by beta of 1 comma 1. Okay, that is 0 lesser than x lesser than 1, and also x to the power of m minus 1, so 1 minus 1, m minus 1 is there, no? Okay, so many things I forgot to write. Okay, I'll write once again. So what we have taken is m equal to 1 and n equal to 1. What is the PDF of beta distribution? 1 by beta of 1 comma 1 x to the power of m minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1 minus x to the power of n minus 1, 1 minus 1, this one. Okay, and also 0 lesser than x lesser than 1, and this will be equal to 1 by beta of 1 comma 1. Okay, this is 1, x to the power of 0 is 1, 1 minus x to the power of 0 is also 1, both are 1, so it is reducing to simply 1 by beta of 1 comma 1, and we know that what is beta of m comma n, that is nothing but gamma of m gamma of n divided by gamma of m plus n. And also we know one more thing, gamma of n, if n is a positive integer, then it will be equal to n minus 1 factorial. Okay, we'll use these things. 1 by beta of 1 comma 1, that will be gamma of 1 divided by gamma of 1 plus 1. So this will be nothing but gamma of 2 divided by gamma of 1 into gamma of 1. Okay, what is my gamma of 2? It's nothing but 2 minus 1 factorial, that is 1 factorial, that will be equal to 1. So gamma of 2 will be equal to 1, right? And what is gamma of 1? Gamma of 1 will be 1 minus 1 factorial, that is 0 factorial. 0 factorial is nothing but equal to 1. So what answer you will get? It is nothing but gamma of 2, that is 1 by k. Okay, I can write it as 1 factorial again. Okay, gamma of 1 is what? 0 factorial, 0 factorial. The answer is nothing but 1. Okay, and there is no x here, right? And what is this? Ultimately you are getting f of x equal to 1. Okay, 0 lesser than x and lesser than 1. This reminds you of something, remember? We have seen this distribution. What is this distribution? How we got this ultimately? When m is 1 and n is 1, it is reduced to simply 1. What is this? This is nothing but our uniform distribution. Okay? Which is uniform distribution on 0, 1. Okay? What is a PDF of normal uniform distribution? We know because what is the PDF of uniform distribution? Okay, PDF of uniform distribution on A, B is nothing but f of x, which is equal to 1 by b minus a lesser than x lesser than b. This is PDF of uniform distribution where the interval is a, b. Here our interval is 0, 1. Right? 1 by 1 minus 0. Right? We got 1, no? 1 by 1 minus 0. A is what? 0. 0 lesser than x lesser than 1. So this is what we are getting. This is nothing but uniform distribution. Okay, now I can, if you have any doubt, I can write like this. F of x equal to 1 by 1 minus 0, right? So 1 by b minus a. And also, what is a? 0 lesser than x lesser than 1. Right? You can compare now. Right? So, you can come to the conclusion. What is the conclusion? Okay, so you can write continuous uniform distribution, okay, is a particular case of beta distribution. I can say uniform distribution turns to beta distribution when m equal to 1 and n equal to 1. So as usual, what we'll be seeing the next one is what are the mean and variance of the beta distribution as usual, right? So now our concentration goes to mean and variance of beta distribution. Okay, what is my mean? Mean equal to m by m plus n. What is mean? Mean equal to m by m plus n. So variance equal to m n divided by m plus n the whole square into m plus n plus 1. Okay, now we'll see one example. Okay, determine the constant. Okay, what is given here is determine the constant such that function f of x equal to c x cube into 1 minus x whole power 6, 0 lesser than x lesser than 1 is a beta distribution of first kind. Also find its mean and variance. Okay. This is very simple sum. How to solve, we'll see. What is given that beta distribution or any distribution integral upper lower limit to upper limit f of x dx is 1, always it is true. Okay, so you will use that concept as f of x is a, yes, 1 second, yarung, 1 second. So beta distribution of first kind integral 0 to 1 f of x dx equal to 1. Okay, this is true for the beta distribution. So which implies that integral 0 to 1 c x cube